Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. And because the season has arrived where we are again commuting into the office, I thought I would do an updated what's in my work bag and also provide an update on my Neverfull and just let you guys know how I've been getting on with it, what I've been packing in it and what I take on a day-to-day basis into the office with me. So if you like the sound of that, then I need you to do two things. Give the video a thumbs up, hit the like button. Comment down below and let me know if you carry some of the same things into the office as I do, and then subscribe if you'd like to see more of this type of content. I guess we can start with the bag. So this is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the medium size, so the MM, and it is in the Damier Ebene print, which is like the brown like checker print, and it's got the red interior. I also have inside this a Zimone bag organizer just to like keep everything in like different compartments, otherwise it's just one big hole. And I haven't tampered with it, I haven't messed with it. I'm just gonna take you through what I've got in here. I'm actually going into the office for the first time tomorrow for like 3 days a week, and so I figured now is the best time to show you what I've got in there and maybe clear it out a little bit as well. So let's get into it. I'm going to start with the main inside pocket. In there I have an umbrella because it rains a lot here. I then have my, and it's stuck, but my work pass, which just allows me to get into the building. I then also have, kind of shouldn't be in the main pocket, but my photo card for my travel card. Travel is very expensive from where I live, so yeah, using this helps me to buy slightly cheaper tickets, which we love. I've got my house keys, I've got my trusty Kindle, which I will be using for the first time while out and about, and then I've got this, which is just an agenda. I kind of use it as like a notebook, and I'll probably use this if I need to take like physical notes in meetings, but realistically I'll probably just take my laptop, which is the only thing that is missing from here. Then I have this YSL pouch, just kind of came with a set of makeup that I ordered. I think it was the, did I order? I can't remember what I ordered. YSL Libre, it was like a gift set. And in here I just have a mirror, I've got some chewing gum, and I've got some lip gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. So that just kind of stays in there for beauty products. What else have I got here? I've got an old mask, which I need to get rid of, and another fabric mask. I think I'll probably be wearing these still on the underground because the streets ain't safe. Then in the, so they've got like, these Zimone organizers have like pouches for like bottles and stuff. So in one of them I've got these sunglasses. So these are the Key Australia, I'm not sure the model name, but my sister gave them to me. She got them in PR, so that was nice. I think these are the High Key in black. I don't know, but they look banging. They look like Ray-Bans basically. So got those, and then I've also got some hand sanitizer gel, as well as a Zara Femme perfume. Then in the like mini pockets in the sides, I've got my, what is this, card wallet. I've also got two of my COVID vaccination records. So I got Pfizer. Clearly not something we need anymore, apparently. I've got a Nationwide card reader, which I can ditch. I've got another chewing gum and a USB stick. Who still uses those? I've got some dollars in here, $1 bills. That's suspect. But no, went to a party, I think it was a Nigerian party, and I was given those to like do some spraying. So if you're Nigerian, comment down below. I don't know if you're doing your spraying with chicken pin or contactless these days, but let me know. Then I have 2 View complimentary cinema tickets because we went to see Batman back the middle of March, and the sound just kind of went out mid-film, we always have really bad luck with View Cinemas, so we're going to start going to Odeon. But we actually went to see Batman on a complimentary ticket that we had got from another View because the lights came on in the middle of the film. So View Cinemas, great customer service in that they gave us these, but let's get it together. And then I have my business card holder, which has my old Star with Substance business cards in them. It's just got my email address and my old @ so I probably need to get these remade. I got these done on Moonpig. They're really cute, but it's a shame they're out of date now. But yeah, I think I'll keep handing those out personally. And then what else do I have in here? I've got a 25p. We don't carry cash around anymore, clearly. And then the bag also comes with this, like, I don't know what you would call this. It's like a pouch. So sometimes on nights out, I'll like take this out as just my clutch for the night. But yeah, that just stays in here. And that's pretty much it. That's the bag empty. Obviously, it's got its own like zip pocket in there. That's what it looks like, empty. This bag is holding up so well. I've had this in the GM size, so like the very large size, one up above this. And this is definitely the size for me. So for reference, I'm 5'5", so it just fits like that nicely in the crook of my... sometimes I don't really carry it like that. I always carry it on my shoulder there. But I just think it's the perfect tote bag. Obviously, there are more... there are sort of less pricey options, like high street options. I think when I was looking at this, I also looked at the, I can't remember the brand, but I'm going to put the name on screen there. I looked at that, but this one was just a bit more sturdy, which is something I needed because I know I'm going to get lots of wear out of this. So yeah, worthy investment, very happy with this. And the only final item to go in will be my work laptop, which is just a HP Chromebook. And that will slot quite nicely into the main compartment like so. And then of course my phone, which I'll probably just carry on me, to be fair. But yeah, that's what's in my work bag. That's what I'll be carrying as I commute to the office. Yeah, comment down below and let me know if you guys are fully back in the office, if you're on a hybrid model, like going in 2 or 3 days a week, or if you're still working like fully from home. Curious to know what everyone's up to. Thank you so much for watching and hope you've enjoyed that. Really short, simple, easy video for you to digest. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, which will probably be another moving vlog or my Amazon favorites. I don't know what order these are all gonna go up in, but I will see you next week. Bye. It's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy when you go.